Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. Welcome everybody. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat, drop it in the comments right now. We are looking at what the market has for us this afternoon. The New York surging. Okay, cool stuff. For those of you who are coming here for the very first time, welcome. This is where we look at what the market has for us today. Okay, so we're going to start off with the news items, and then we are going to, sorry guys, something is making me laugh here. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, just type in the chat. Okay, cool. So, loud and clear, and Tabi saying, Zandil is crystal clear, awesome stuff. So let's get into the markets. Let's check on what's really going on in the markets today. I'm going to start off with the news items. Guys, I've got somebody laughing at me this side, so I can't. Okay, cool. So today we are checking on what the market has for us, right? So earlier today, we've already seen a couple of news, especially in Britain and also in South Africa. These are the cost CPI and PPI news. Reason why Offense and Millionaire are selling GBP USD is because of these negative news that we are seeing here in the group, right? Cool stuff. Now, let us look at some more news. What is coming up tonight, today? We are looking at the common PPI, especially the core CPI in Canada. These are the news that will be released later on today at 2:30 South African time. Now, these news are expected to be released by Canada at 2:30 South African time, meaning that if we are trading the Canadian dollar, we need to look at this right? Let's check on what's going on the news item, on the actual markets. Looking at, we're gonna start off with CHF, CHF-JPY. We know that this market is currently, obviously on long term, looking at long term, we need to look at long term. This is a very bullish market, right? But look at what the 15-minute time frame is giving us. It's giving us some lower lows and lower highs. So we want to get this exactly at the feed level here. This is why we are looking at CHF-JPY in this kind of way. Now, another one that you can look at later this afternoon is CAT CHF, since we are going to be receiving news from Canada later on. Now, let me see what's the expectation on the news first, very quickly. On the news. Now, the expectation is not given to us on the core CPI. It is given to us on the CPI month on month. We are expecting a decline on the CPI month on month, but on year, we are expecting a positive update later on today. We'll see how the market reacts, and obviously price action is key. We are going to be using price action for whatever reason that we are, whatever trade that we are going to be taking. So Euro USD, what's going on there? Yes, Euro USD is in a bullish market, very, very bullish market, right? What you can look at is some sort of a trend like this one, right? Obviously, we know that what the banks do, they really love tricking us around these areas and these zones. But I am looking to buy Euro USD when we reach this particular level right here. And I hope it will make some sort of a double bottom there. And then we are going to do what? We are going to take that long trade around 1.16115, right? Cool. And then do we have anything in USD/CHF? Yes, USD/CHF. I'm looking to sell in this market. Right? Let's go to 15-minute time frame. I'm looking to sell around this zone, the 78.6. And please, if we are selling on this one, let's use proper risk management. Let us use proper risk management on this particular setup. So this is USD/CHF, sell limit at 0.92. 0.92537. Now, I'm going to put my stop loss at 0.92800 for now, 800 for now. So I'm going to put it at 0.92800. Yeah. Still working. Okay, then my tip profit would be down there 0.92, 0.92, 0.50. Let's see. Okay, our stop loss is very, very, very high. Very, very, very high. Okay, what's my final stop loss and take profit from this order? So we've got an order at 0.92537, and then we do have a stop loss at 0.92696. Take profit at 0.92050, right? Good stuff. Now we do have a beautiful order on this one. GBP/USD, what's going on? We know that the dollar is taking advantage of the pound because of what happened recently on the news. So that is what's going on, right? What can you expect? A bull market later on this afternoon is what I can only expect later on. And if there's anything, some sort of a confirmation towards the buy side, I'm going to be looking at that one very closely. Yes, the JQI, I don't have anything to say about this trade. Since it keeps on creating high highs and high lows, I'm going to be watching it. We know that there's a resistance around this area here, but I'm going to be watching this trade very, very closely. And then XAU/USD, this trade has been marvelous in terms of all the predictions that we have been predicting on it, or around this trade, or around this setup, right? Cool. So I'm still on the buyer's side of things on this one. Let me just check what's going on here. Check on the chats here. Can you touch space with gold? Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Let's see what gold is. It's in listing, which is gold. So on gold, we've had excellent trades, like excellent setups on this one. Let's see on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. Cool. What's going on now? This is a very, 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 very. This is the area that I've been looking at here. Then for buyers in this market, this is our next target, and this is our final target here, right? Now, market is above this area, and it has already given us a pin bar. It has turned it into support, and it has already given us pin bars. So I can only look at this market like this. This for now, I can only look at this market. This, or let me just say, anything of that resembles a retracement towards this side, I'm going to be taking it as a good opportunity for us to do that, to take a buy moving forward, right? Even though I think that we have already missed out on this trade, but if there's anything, some sort of a buy option or buy order that we can take, we're going to be looking at it around this zone in this area, and then we take it to the top side, right? Okay, cool. EuroGBP is one of the trades that I'm looking at. I'm looking to sell on EuroGBP when markets reach this area. When market is currently pushing to that, currently pushing to this area. So I'm looking to sell around this area towards the downside, right? Yeah. So if you can look at it in this kind of a way also. Trend lines can mislead sometimes, but this fake out, if there can be a fake out here, we're gonna catch it very nicely at the top and towards the downside, right? Cool. Now that's what's going on. USD keeps on pushing to the downside, and my expectation here is that we need to see some sort of anything that would resemble a bounce in this area. Now, these are very good areas of buying on USD. Since we are having the 61.81, we have the 100-day moving average, and then we have the 200-day moving average at the same level. So for me, we need to be constantly looking for a buy on USD. But currently, there's no confirmation, even on smaller time frames on this one. There is none. There is no confirmation for now, meaning that we're gonna keep an eye. We're gonna keep an eye on USD. We're gonna keep an eye on USD, right? And then Ntabi saying asked about Ethereum. I think, can you tell me something? Okay. Is it okay to focus on one chart until you consider? Yes, it is. Yes. Confident. Okay, cool. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay to focus on one chart. If you have a beautiful strategy, let's say you are focusing on gold. If you have a strategy around gold, it's okay to focus on gold forever. Okay, cool. Ethereum, somebody asked about Ethereum, and I think that she was looking for a good selling point. The reason why I'm not going to look for a good selling point on this one in Tabison is because cannot be used. Okay, you cannot use because is a conjunction. So you can correct me there if you are interested in the person, but sometimes you cannot use because is a conjunction. Okay, cool. So this is a very strong bull market, but obviously a sell option can come on this one, which is Ethereum USD. Ethereum, okay, this is how I treat cryptos, right? This is how I treat crypto. Never look for a sell opportunity. Never look for a sell opportunity on crypto. Raising, this is a very strong. Okay, I'm more long term. I have a long term idea on crypto, which says that crypto most of the cryptocurrencies are bullish. So if I'm thinking of selling, then I'm going to be hurt by the market, right? So that is why I don't look at crypto in that kind of a way, right? So I don't look at crypto in that kind of way. So this is a recorded session, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, please do subscribe and like this video. We are going to be delivering more and more and more and more of the content here. And then for those of you who are coming from the YouTube, not YouTube channel, the Telegram channel, I hope you guys are enjoying this. And for those of you who are looking to come, I'm going to be hosting a class this coming Saturday in the morning. I'll be hosting a class. So if you are very far from Gauteng, this is your chance to grab the full course at a once-off cost of 129. This is a Forex summer special that is still open. It is ending this coming Friday. The Forex summer special is ending this coming Friday. Please do watch out for that one. So if you want to participate on it, do give us a WhatsApp or call us on 0671473701. And then number 2, for those who are looking, who are in and around Gauteng, or who can make it on the 30th of October, we are going to be hosting a session, full-day session in Rosebank. This is in Rosebank, Gauteng, Johannesburg, right? So if you are in and around Johannesburg, you can make it. Also at a once-off cost of 2,999 if you're coming, if you're going to be paying next week or something like that. But if you are want to book that class, you want to book for that class, you can make a reservation at 1,999, which is our Forex summer special price. And then tonight at 8 o'clock, dark or blue, we are going to be having a Forex Q&A with the International School of Traders. So if you're within the, if you're in the groups and everything, please do make sure that you know and you set up your alarm for tonight's Q&A, and we are going to be having an amazing time tonight at 8 o'clock. That's all from me today. It is your one and only. We'll see you. What time? I missed that. What time? Tonight at 8 o'clock. Tonight at 8 o'clock. How can you access the class if one is not in South Africa? You can access the class via online classes. As we are doing this, you can meet me one-on-one, do all of those things. There is all of those things available for you if you're outside South Africa. We do have people who are in Swaziland, Botswana, Namibia, who get it. I think there's also somebody in the US. So we are meeting tonight for those who are at the International School of Traders. We're meeting tonight at 8 o'clock. So even if you are not in South Africa, you can have access to those sessions, right? To your Forex training and all of those things. That is why we are called International School of Traders. That's all from me today. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only. Shalom.